Hi Wanders! Today we're going to show you how to get into a shoulder anchor for your long string wand. The way we're going to enter your long string wand is by holding your wand and opening the loop with your thumb. Your non-dominant hand is going to go through your anchor and then start closing the loop. You're going to hold the loop with your non-dominant hand, and as you're opening and spreading the wand, the string, you're going to place this over your neck. When it's over your neck, you can then slowly collapse the string all the way up around your shoulder, and then you can have the Leve wand anchor from your shoulder to your dominant hand. This gives you an opportunity to wrap the string and use it just like a short string, or you can leave this a lot further out and use it like a long string Leve wand. And that is how to shoulder anchor your wand.